Hello, my name is Dr. Edward Laveri, and welcome to Hands-on Data Structures and Algorithms in Java 11. This course will consist of a complete overview of data structures and related algorithms in Java 11. We will use a hands-on exploratory approach throughout this course. My primary focus of study has been computer science with additional concentrations of information systems, mobile applications, adaptive learning, and artificial intelligence. I've been teaching computer science, information systems, information technology, and game design and development at the university and college level for over 16 years. As you would expect, I'm an avid developer using a wide range of languages and tools. In fact, Java and I have a long relationship starting back in 2002. I am also an author with several publications, including the ones you see here from Pack Publishing. Our course consists of 9 sections. Section 1 is entitled Getting Started, and here we'll survey each of the sections in detail, and we'll set up our technology environment so that you're ready to code along with me during the rest of the videos. Section 2 is our first section with a data structure, and that data structure is strings. So we'll talk about strings as a data structure and the related algorithms. You'll see we'll be using word processing and large documents for our examples. Section 3 will focus on arrays. We'll look at student grade ranges, optimize for performance, and of course, we'll be dealing with the data structure and related algorithms. In Section 4, we'll use linked lists. We'll create a registry, look at matching criteria. We'll, again, sort for optimizing behavior of the software. In Section 5, we'll look at stacks and queues together because they're so. We'll demonstrate the last in, first out, and first in, first out principles. We'll look at several different algorithms for handling stacks and queues. In Section 6, we'll start implementing with trees. A lot of fun in this section. We'll use it to store hierarchical information. We'll do searching and sorting and summarize, and then we'll quiz. Section 7 is all about hash maps. We'll demonstrate key value pairs there, search to determine index values. We'll sort for performance. Section 8 deals with graphs. We'll store relationships, and then we'll use searching algorithms to determine relationships between multiple objects. We'll work on optimization there as well. And then our final section, advanced topics, we'll look at recursion so we can implement a Fibonacci function. We'll also review big O notation as a way to describe performance. And what you probably notice is that the vast majority of the sections all have the same sequence. We start by using a data structure. We'll use algorithms to search that data structure, and then we'll sort, and we'll kind of redo the searches again just to see the improved performance. Then we'll summarize our work with that data structure and the related algorithms, and then you'll have a quiz at the end, and that's the sequence. Here are the prerequisites for this course. They will help ensure you get the most out of the course. First, it is important that you have at least a basic level of Java knowledge and skills. You will also need an integrated development environment, the Java Development Kit version 11, and a browser.